After recently going public through a special purpose acquisition company, Hyliion Stock, which is traded on the New York Stock Exchange with ticker symbol HYLN, has experienced a rocky start in the up-and-coming net zero emission transport sector. Earlier this summer, Hyliion Stock roared to almost $59 per share for an amazing 600% gain in the span of a few months. However, since then, Hyliion has lost more than 2/3 of its value since its recent peak. In fact, Hyliion shares have been down almost 40% in the past month. Nonetheless, the stock is gaining some price momentum, with the share price going up by over 22% in the past week alone. In this video, we'll discuss whether Hyliion stock is a good buy at this price level and what I would be looking for when it comes to Hyliion's quarter 3 of 2020 report when it is announced on November 12th of this year. What's unique about Hyliion is that it doesn't produce cars or trucks. Rather, the company produces electrified powertrain, also known as drivetrain solutions for Class 8 commercial vehicles. So that gives Hyliion a different angle in what might be considered as a rather overcrowded market. Hyliion has a lot of potential and promising attributes. In fact, its Hypertruck ERX truck, which is one of their flagship products, has a range of more than 1,000 miles, making it ideal for long-range jobs. It also accelerates quickly and can carry heavy loads. A number of big-name trucking companies have already agreed to buy ERX vehicles once they are produced. All in all, if things go according to plan, Hyliion has a lot to offer and can be a respectable player in this market in the years to come. Hyliion anticipates selling 20 units and generating $1 million of revenue this year. Next year, it foresees 300 units sold and $8 million of revenue. And only in 2022, according to Hyliion's projections, will it reach critical mass, selling thousands of units and generating $344 million of sales. Hyliion's mission is to reduce the carbon intensity and greenhouse gas emission of the commercial transportation Class 8 vehicles by being a leader provider of electrified powertrain solutions. Leveraging advanced software algorithms and data analytics capabilities, Hyliion offers fleets an easy, efficient system to decrease fuel and operating expenses while seamlessly integrating with their existing fleet operations. Headquartered in Austin, Texas, Hyliion designs, develops, and sells electrified powertrain solutions that are designed to be installed on most major Class 8 commercial vehicles, with the goal of transforming the commercial transportation industry's environmental impact at scale. It's worth mentioning that there have been some allegations against Hyliion's proprietary technology. Investor Place columnist Todd Schreiber included Hyliion in a list of stocks that could potentially go to zero. In fact, short seller Bonitas Research claims that evidence revealed that Hyliion's proprietary battery management system technology was purchased for under $1 million, equal to less than 1 cent per Hyliion share. And that, Bonitas short seller research adds, there is not one scientific paper or submission that would back up founder and CEO Thomas Haley's 30% fuel efficiency claim. That said, there are definitely some opposing ideas out there and in favor of Hyliion. In fact, the host of CNBC's famous Mad Money show, Jim Cramer, believes that Hyliion has a compelling business strategy, but he cautioned investors against chasing this stock at its current levels. This statement goes back to when Hyliion stock was trading at around $28 per share. Jim Cramer added, "I kind of like this story and I think it's worth buying if you can get the stock around $20, maybe less. Please be patient, let it come to you," said Cramer. According to Jim Cramer, for Hyliion in particular, he believes there are a lot of positive catalysts for the company, which develops powertrain systems for both hybrid and fully electric trucks. He said he likes the fact that its hybrid solution, which can be retrofitted on existing truck, is already on the market and takes advantage of existing infrastructure for compressed natural gas. It also owns its battery technology, which is a plus. Cramer said Hyliion's strategy to focus on powertrain solutions is a smart strategy. He said, "The company has figured out that designing a new truck was a fool's game. You've already got truck makers with lots of capacity and happy customers. They realized they had a better shot at simply improving those trucks with a new and improved powertrain rather than starting from scratch. Makes sense." Hyliion announces its third quarter 2020 results before market open on Thursday, November 12th, and will host a conference call and webcast at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. As for me, in the next quarterly reports for Hyliion, I will keep a close eye on their income statement, including their revenue, net income, and operating income, as well as their balance sheet. mainly their total assets, current asset, total liabilities, and current liabilities. What's more, if the stock price drops below $22, I might add to my existing positions of Hyliion stocks. What do you think of Hyliion stock? Do you own Hyliion in your portfolio? Let me know in the comment section down below. I hope you found this video beneficial and it gave you some ideas and game plan in terms of approaching Hyliion stock in anticipation for its upcoming Q3 quarterly results. If you found this video beneficial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from it as well. And don't forget to subscribe to Moementum channel. Here on Moementum, we post weekly videos about stock market investing and finances. Hope to see you next time.